Welcome back to the channel, friends. This is Gilbert from Glint Mobile Auto Detailing here in Kampala. Today we are going to show this V8 some love. We are going to deep clean it and then carry out a one-step paint enhancement to remove a few light scratches and make it shine. So lay back and enjoy the show. So guys, after cleaning this car and decontaminating it, I was able to clearly see that it had some significant random isolated deep scratches. And so what I did was to treat these deep scratches by wet sanding them first using a 2000 grit sandpaper, which is not shown in this footage. And now what you see me doing, I was trying to revisit these areas doing a spot correction, compounding that is, to remove the sanding marks, so that when it is time for the full all-round one step for the entire vehicle, the results will be uniform across the entire paint. So that's what happens when you have cleaned the black car like this one and you're looking at it. Sometimes you have to make a judgment call and see to it that you work around the clock to deliver professional results. So in this case, I had to make sure that these random isolated deep scratches are treated, are leveled off, are diminished, so that when it is time to do a full one step, the entire paint surface, the shine and the gloss is uniform. Something that is going to be appreciated by the client, definitely. Changing gears, I have now switched to a suitable pad and polish to do a full one step all around the vehicle. This is the point where I'm applying a protective layer to the paint in form of a paint sealant, which is SiO2 based. This is meant to protect this paint for at least 2 to 3 months. Protection from the UV rays, protection from hard water, and maybe some of the bad chemicals that may be, splattered on this paint, till the next time when we will be able to do a maintenance detail to maintain this shine and to make sure that the paint is in good condition. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this project on the V8. And as you can see for yourself, those were the outcomes after putting in a few hours of work. I hope you can tell the difference before and after. Thank you so much for your support. Catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.